Hello and welcome to EazyRepair.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your request categories in EazyRepair. First, go over to the support and down to Manage Account. Then go to the Request Categories tab. Here, I'll show you first how to edit a request category. Let's say we wanted to change general maintenance to maintenance and repairs. I clicked on that edit button, click maintenance and repairs, and then click submit. Then I go back to request categories and you can see maintenance and repairs is updated. Next, I'll show you how to delete a request category. For this one, let's delete card and building access. I click disable. It double checks if you want to delete it. Click OK. And then you have to reassign those any request types of card and building to a different type. So for this one, I will do maintenance and repairs, and then click submit. One disclaimer here is that it's going to reallocate all of those that were card and building access to maintenance and repairs. I'll click submit, and you'll see that that is no longer there. And in the last step, I'll show you how to create a new category. Go down to the Create New Category button, type in the request category, I'll do IT support, and then this is the category routing, so it determines who gets assigned maintenance requests at the different buildings. So I'll set the correct employee there, and then I'll click submit, and that should all be reflected in the new request type right here. So that's it for this EazyRepair tutorial. Thanks again for your time. We hope to connect with you soon.